Okay, they're open. Let's go. Oh, look at the alien feet.
Whoa.
Go.
Okay, so we are gonna start doing our first cookout and went to the market, and this is how it turned out to look. Pretty cool. You can fit a lot in here, surprisingly. So stay tuned to our cookout. Entering Kelly. You guys are excited?
Yeah. Yeah. I got some money.
You got money?
I got some. That's alive. No, I said that's alive.
That's a life. Michelle, that's a life.
That's alive. You said alive. Alive, not alive.
All right, so I'm making rice on the stove top, and the great thing is, kids are playing right outside the window. Making rice. Oh, my rice came out perfect. Look at that. Look at that rice. Wow, beautiful. And we're ready to have lunch. Gonna get the kids to come in. And guess what? We're missing a table. So we're gonna use this as a table for tonight. Okay, so that's how we do it. So am I cooking? Ah, you ate me again!
I'm winning.
You are definitely winning. Oh, Charlotte's winning. You got the aliens there. You wanna go hang out with your alien friends?
Bye.
Huh? Alright, making vegetable soup.
But those are mine. Milk
Those are
duds.
mine. Yours. I went to get some good food. I share with you.
I have some nuts.
What's the book?
This one is.
Breakfast. Outside. Come out good, Jake?
Yep.
Let me see my egg yolks. Wow. You like egg yolks like that? Yeah. Where are we going today, Jake?
Carlsbad Caverns.
That's right. You ready for it?
Yeah.
Come back. Gotta go. I gotta go. Papa said already. So we literally had to pack up and leave early from the campground because we woke up super late, and we rushed, and literally Jake and Rob drained the black tank and the gray tank like super quick while Charlotte and I had to use the restroom, and we didn't even like unpack we didn't even put away our bed. We just kind of like laid it out that way. We have our hats on, our Yosemite hats on. Even Papa has his Yosemite hat on. And I got ready in the car while he drove. And here we go.